guys, welcome back to my channel. Now winters are here finally in Delhi and I just love this weather. This is the best time to be in Delhi as per me. I am a winter person, so I love all things winters, and this is just I just don't know. There's something about the weather that makes me really happy, and the fact that there's no sweating, there's no itchiness on the skin, no nothing, and you can eat as much as you want and all the nice winter delicacies that come along with winters. I just love winters a lot, but there's one thing that I do not enjoy about winters, and that is dry skin that comes with winters. The air becomes very dry, and especially here in Delhi, December and January and up until mid-February, it gets really cold and my skin gets really dry. So I'm going to share with you some winter skincare products that I recently picked up from Amazon, and some of these are old favorites which I stock up on every year, and some of them are new to me, so I'm going to share all of the details with you guys. If you're interested, keep watching, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about, and which is something that almost everybody of us uses, and that is Vaseline. This time I've picked up the Vaseline Blue Seal. This is the original pure petroleum jelly, and I've picked up this 250 ml tub for myself. This is going to last me through the season for the next 2 to 3 months, and it is like this. It is slightly creamy yellow in color as compared to the original, the other normal Vaseline that you get. So sorry, the sticker is off because I use this a lot. So the original one looks like this, but this is the Blue Seal, and this is what it looks like. But the Blue Seal, I find it to be a tad bit better than the other one, and I use this in winters. The white one I use mostly in summers. This does a lot of things. It can go on your lips, it goes on your facial skin, gives you a nice glow on the skin. It helps relieve cracked dry skin on your hands, on your feet, on your heels, on your knees, elbows. You can use it in a lot of ways. If you're interested in seeing a video on the various kinds of uses of Vaseline, let me know in the comments down below. But for now, this is what I'm going to use this winter. I'm going to leave the links to all of the products also in the description box down below. Don't forget to check them out if you want to buy any of these products. The next thing that I have is this face moisturizer. This is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer for the face, and I've been wanting to try out this brand for long. The products have no perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no alcohol, and no animal derived ingredients, and these are specifically meant for sensitive skin. The products have no fragrance, and I've used this moisturizer. It is nice and light, and it gets absorbed into the skin very easily, and it keeps my skin hydrated. Right now for light winters it is really good, but once we get to really harsh winters, I'm going to switch up to my Nivea creme. Now this is something, again, I've been using for a lot of years, and I think almost all of you also must have used it at least once. It comes in a big tub like this. I've already used some of it. I like to, when my skin is really dry and during the times of very dry winters, like in December and January, I like to use this on my face. Sometimes I mix in a few drops of any serum or facial oil that I'm using, but this alone can take care of any kind of dryness anywhere on your body. It is a really nice facial moisturizer. So these two together are going to be my facial skin arsenal for the upcoming winters. Next, I have two products from mCaffeine. This is a skincare brand, an Indian skincare brand with coffee based products. I picked up the coffee face scrub and the coffee body scrub. Now scrubbing your skin during winters is really important because all the dry skin that gets accumulated on the surface needs to be taken care of, and I've picked up the coffee face scrub. I've used this once and it feels really good. The scrubbing particles are really fine, and it smells amazing. Oh my god, like I have to I can't recommend it enough for the fragrance because it smells so good. I love all things coffee, and this one smells amazing. You really should pick it up, especially for winter. This is a really good product. And I also have the coffee body scrub. The scrub comes in a glass jar packaging like this, which I really like, but you need to be a little careful with it. And it comes with its own wooden spatula, which again I really like. The scrub is in a powder form, and you need to first wet your skin, scoop out some of the product, and then use it on your skin, and it scrubs your skin really nicely. So the facial scrub and the body scrub together, they really nicely scrub the skin on your surface from head to toe. Together they are a really good combination. Next I have this eye cream from Requil. This again is an Indian brand, and I've been wanting to try their products for a long time. I especially wanted to pick up the sunscreen, but I couldn't get my hands on it this time, so I picked up the under eye cream, which again is something that I needed. It comes in a tube packaging like this, and I'm yet to use it, so I'm going to share my verdict with you on this one in a subsequent video. But for now I'm really looking forward to try this because it comes with a lot of nice promises, and it's been long since I tried on a good eye cream, so I'm really excited to try this one. Next I have the Wow Aloe Vera Gel. This is 99% pure aloe vera, and it has no parabens, silicones, mineral oil, no color, no synthetic fragrance, and it suits all skin types, and it is meant for all hair types also. So you can use it on your face, on anywhere on your body, on your skin, and also on your hair. Like when you get a lot of dandruff during winters, you can mix it in with a few drops of tea tree oil and apply it on your scalp, and your scalp will be taken care of. And the packaging, it looks like an aloe vera leaf, which is something really cute about the brand and the packaging. Last but not the least, winters are incomplete without some good body lotions. We need them at least twice a day, at least here in Delhi. Morning and evening, you really need to slather your skin with a lot of moisturizer. So I picked up two this time. One is my trusted Nivea Body Milk. This is the deep moisture serum variant, and this I really like. I've been using this for a lot of years, and every winters, at the start of winters, I make sure my bathroom is stocked up on this one. At least one of this big bottles has to be there in the house. This time I've also picked up something new for myself. This is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and I've heard really good things about this one. It has natural colloidal oatmeal. Oatmeal is really good for dry skin. This one says it moisturizes for 24 hours, fragrance free, and relieves and protects dry skin. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to using this one. This is what it looks like, and it gets absorbed into the skin easily. It's not very heavy, so I think it is perfect for daytime use, but let me use it for some more time and I'll share the results with you guys. This I've just used the moisturizer, and this hand I haven't moisturized, and you can already see the difference. A good moisturizer for your face, for your body, it makes a lot of difference in your in the way your skin looks. So I'm really excited to try this one out too. That was all from my side on my Amazon winter beauty haul. I've stocked up on some products that I have been using and trusting for the last few years, and they're a staple in my winter skincare regime, and a few new products that I'm yet to try, but I'm really excited and I'm really looking forward to using them. I'm going to share my reviews on any new products that you may want to know more about. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you want me to review separately, and if you have any of your winter skincare favorites, let me know in the comments down below. Links to all of the products that I've shown to you are going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check them out. You can directly click on the links and they'll take you to a page where you can shop them from Amazon, and a lot of times a lot of these products are on good discount, so don't forget to check them out. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and you can check out more of my videos over here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.